Hello sellers, welcome to Builderfly Seller University. By registering your business on Builderfly, you can open your Facebook shop and make your catalog live for your fans and followers in a single click. Social selling is the new buzz in the market, and with Builderfly, you can manage your social selling and online store simultaneously. To start selling on Facebook, go to the Grow section and click on Sell on the Social channel. Select Facebook from here. Click on Connect Facebook page. Log into your Facebook account and you will see the welcome screen. Click Next to start with the Facebook business. Select your Facebook page from here and click Next. Click Next to connect Facebook Pixel to import your product catalog. Now click Finish. Once the setup finishes, you can see a success message like this. You can click on Continue, and now you can set up the Facebook ad campaigns to promote your products. Also, you can choose to come back later by clicking on Settings under the Sell on Facebook page. See, this is how your product catalog looks on your Facebook shop. You can tag your products on the Facebook post and help your fans and followers to instantly purchase your products. Enjoy selling on Facebook and manage your products without any hassles with Builderfly's One Management. Thank you for watching.